Alright, today I'm going to be presenting my culminating project. My name's Evelyn, and I'm 17. I've grown up in Colorado my whole life. I've always been interested in pursuing video production and animation as a career, and I will be leaving Colorado right after high school. So for my project, I ended up doing, I ended up dedicating most of my time to understanding how to edit video and learning different techniques. And in my video, I actually focused more on that rather than like taking the actual film. So I spent lots of time researching, and I also watched like video tutorials on how to understand better. And then I was planning to originally use Adobe After Effects, but it ended up not working due to the pandemic. That's a whole thing. I'll explain that later. So for my evidence, I kept a log of the hours that I spent researching and stuff and editing whatever I did. I also have proof of my mentor, and then I created plans and storyboards. So this I added later on because I wasn't able to create the videos I was hoping to. So I ended up making my own storyboards for videos I want to make in the future using After Effects. So the final product ended up being 4 different short videos ranging from 20 seconds to 2 minutes long. I ended up creating a 2-page research paper for what I learned. My mentor was Asher. He was a New Vista student last year, and he knows a lot about photography and editing and video editing as well, so we ended up FaceTiming since we can't really meet up, and I got 5 hours with him. So my project was really affected by this. I was planning to use After Effects, and it didn't work on my computer, and it worked at the beginning actually, and then it stopped working, and I was like, oh, I'll just use the school computers because they can actually handle it, and that was working great, and then school closed all of a sudden, and there was nothing, I couldn't use it anymore. And it sucks because I did make a couple videos on my computer, but since the app stopped working, I can no longer get them. Files disappeared and everything. So even though they're not as good as I was hoping for, I'm really proud of what I have produced, and I'm happy that I ended up dedicating more time to research and planning for future videos. So my videos are all here. With this app, I can't play them with the music, so you guys can just watch on your own. And then here's a link to my research paper, and these are storyboards that I created. These are both kind of like music video type things that I'm really hoping to actually make in the future. And then this is my rubric and log of my hours. And then I have my reflection paper here. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you so much for listening, and I can share this project with anyone who wants to see the videos. You can also find them on my YouTube channel, which I can send out if you'd like. So thank you so much.